Hello guys, welcome to another Python tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to take inputs from the user. The command to take inputs from the user is very simple. You just type a variable name equals to the command to take input is simply just put input and then parentheses. After that, in quotes, type your prompt that will show the user what they have to enter. Now when I run this program, it will take the name as an input and it will print the name that you type in the print command. Let's go ahead and run the program. As you can see, it asks for the name. Enter your name. I will type my name. Now you can see it prints the name that I have typed. Now let me take another example. I'll ask for the user's age. Input, enter your age. Let's print that. You are plus. Now when I run it, it asks for the name. Let me type my name. It's a typo. And after that, enter your age. Let me type my age. Your name is and you're 20 years old. I have a typo here. Now here one thing to note that is when I type 20 in the age, it actually takes string as an input. It is not an integer. To confirm that, I will print its type down here. Type age. Now when I run it, as you can see, it says class string. So if you take, now as you can see, it is a string class, but if you want to use it as an integer or you want to take input integer, you don't want to take string, you can change it to integer by typing integer age in front of it, but it will not be very helpful in your code as you have to type it every time you are going to use it. So better thing to do is, let's take a random number as an input. Number equals to input, enter a number. Now I'll simply add 10 to it. Enter a number. When I enter a number, let's type 2. You can see it says it cannot support. So the thing you should do is type integer in front of the input. Now when you run it, it will take. Now when you run it, it will take an integer as an input. It won't take string. So now you don't have to convert every time the string to integer wherever you want to use it. So you can see that input command is pretty simple and pretty easy to use. That's it for this tutorial, guys. In the upcoming tutorials, I'll show you what are boolean characters, how to use if else if statements, for loops. Everything will be covered, so stay tuned see you guys in the next one.